G8 and V1S screen testing module support the test of full functions of display and touch of Apple, Android, and Huawei models. Standard packaged with 10 screen test FPCs of iPhone X12 PM. Firstly, connect the screen testing module to V1S Pro. Take out the screen to be tested and the corresponding screen test FPC. Buckle the screen test FPC on the screen testing module. On the screen of V1S Pro, it shows that the FPC is connected. Then buckle the screen on the screen test FPC. Click Lighting. After lighting up the screen, click the color section on V1S Pro. The corresponding color is displayed on the screen to be tested. You can check if there are any dead pixels on the screen by observing the above colors. This is image section. The image can only be displayed when the screen testing module is connected to V1S Pro via USB cable. Click the image section. Through observing the image, you can check if there is abnormal part on the screen. Click Last to jump to the last color. Click Next to jump to the next color. Click AutoCycle. Select Cycle Type. Select Cycle DC. It will play the above sections clockwise on the screen. The corresponding color will also be displayed on the V1S Pro screen. Click Cycle Stop to stop loop playing. Click Cycle RC, and the screen will loop play the above sections counterclockwise. Click Cycle Speed to adjust the speed of playing. Click the plus and minus signs to adjust the screen brightness. The last section is used to test the touch function of the screen. Click the touch section. The screen testing module will test the problems of touch screen, such as unresponsive touch on part or all of the screen, multi-touch gestures not working, inaccurate touch behavior. Click Clear to erase the touch traces on both screens. Support multi-finger touch operation, up to 5 finger. Match with V1S Pro touch screen for operation. Support OTA upgrade and unlimited expansion of new models.